What are you doing, Petey? Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Oh, you got Granny's necklace. No, no, no. Come here, you little pooper. Are you warm? Are you snuggling?
See if you'll come now.
He's not going to come. Come here, baby. Come here. Hey. Yeah, I don't think so. You think that's funny? He likes it there. It's warm. Aw, kiss. Are you silly? What you doing? Silly boy. I'm not going to try to pick you up right now. You don't want me to pick you up. You're goofy. It's not going to be funny when you poop on Granny, is it? Then the humor will be over. What are you doing, silly? You get Granny's necklace?
Well, come on up. Step up.
He's like, no way. Yeah, step up.
Come on.
What are you doing? You got poop? Oh, kiss. Kiss. Aw. What you doing? You like that fuzzy blanket? You gotta be related to Mickey.
No.
Did you get Granny's bra strap? She didn't like that.
No, my necklace.
Oh, I shake the camera because it makes me laugh. You're goofy. Oh my goodness. Are you goofy?
No.
Come here. Come here, pooper. Ah! Oh. Jeez, what's so funny? What's so funny? You're just being silly.
Come on, step up. Come on, let's go. Come on, get him off me.
Come here. Step up, buddy. What? Say hello. What you doing? Huh? You want to go in your little playpen again? What? What you doing, buddy? Say cheese. Peekaboo. What's this? Tickle.
Where's Roy on his way?